Hi all, welcome to my channel Tech Updates by Sid. Today we will be covering Mac tips and tricks.
How to start night mode. Click on Settings and select Display. Select the Night Shift tab. In this you can select Schedule. In Schedule you have 3 options. 1. Off. 2. Custom. Select the timing by yourself. 3. Sunset to sunrise. You can also select color temperature so that it can dampen the blue light at night. Now we will be looking into how to turn on reader mode on Safari. Reader mode is actually handy as it removes the advertisement and shows you only the required content. To switch on reader mode, first open Safari, then go on to Preferences, then select the Websites tab and select Reader option. In Reader option you need to select when visiting other websites to on. Then open any website and open any article. You would see the reader mode come into action. Now we will be looking into how to add icons to menu bar. Open System Preferences, then select Sound, and at the bottom of the window you will see Show Volume in menu bar. Tick the box next to it. Then go back and select Bluetooth. Even in that, at the bottom of the window you will see Show Bluetooth in menu bar. Tick the box next to it. Then go back, select Date and Time, Network, Siri in the same way. Small tip, you can also move or rearrange icons in the menu bar by holding the Command key and drag the item. Now we will move on to the next topic, hot corners. So again we need to open System Preferences. Then select Desktop and Screensaver. Select Screensaver tab and select Hot Corners at right bottom of the screen. Then select which corner what option you need as per your preferences. It's always convenient to select Desktop as one of the corners, in Launchpad as the other. Open Finder Preferences, and in that you can customize things as per your need. In General tab you can select New Finder window shows. By default it will be Recents. You can keep it as Desktop or Documents. Then in Advanced tab you can select multiple options. 1. Remove trash after 30 days. I don't personally prefer that as I like to clean my own trash. 2. Keep folders on top while sorting by name. Also you can decide in which folders the search should be done in. Search this Mac. Search current folder. Use the previous search scope. My personal favorite is Search this Mac as it gives me all the files with that name. Next comes dock positioning on your Mac. To change this setting you need to open System Preferences, open Dock and select the position on screen, left, bottom or right. Also in this you can select Minimize Windows into Application Icon. If you don't select this option then every application you open will create a new personal space on dock and it will make your dock more clumsy. Next comes a very interesting topic of enabling right-click on Trackpad. To do so you need to open System Preferences and select Trackpad. Then click on Point and Click, and select Second checkbox. Secondary click, select where you want the right click to be. Then in Scroll and Zoom you have multiple options with a demo of how and what the option is used for. Then last tab, if more gestures, gives you further trackpad options which you can use on daily basis. Even here the options are available with short demo and how it can be used.
Also guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Your subscribing to my channel means a world to me.
Now we come to the last tutorial of 3-finger drag. To do so you need to open accessibility. 2 ways to open it. 1. Via Finder and typing in accessibility. And 2. Via System Preferences and Accessibility. So once accessibility is open you need to scroll down to Mouse and Trackpad. In that select Trackpad options and put a tick next to enable dragging, and in drop down select 3-finger drag. With this we conclude our tutorial of Mac tips and tricks. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop your questions in comments.
Subscribe, like, comment and hit the bell icon for more updates.